What's up, guys? We've got NG Slot here on deck. He is at the Peppermill Casino in Reno, Nevada. One of my favorite casinos, I think, of all time. It's just clean. It's nice. It's got some nostalgia to it. If you guys ever are in Reno, Nevada, I highly recommend going there. Super fun. That being said, NG's here up on deck. Like I said, he's got quite a few chips. I want to say he's got like 30,000, maybe more. But let's hop into it, you guys. I do love NG. I get a lot of comments saying, like, why do you like him? He's just quick and fast. And he's a little unorthodox. You know, everybody's got an opinion on how people play. I just enjoy blackjack. I don't care if you're a degenerate. I don't care if you're a terrible player. I just love blackjack. So if you guys are here to, play perfect and this is how it's going to go, find a different channel. This is for you guys to sit back, relax, have some coffee. Let's have some fun. Let's shoot the shit. And if you guys got some fun ideas or some opinions, let's go for it. And with that, you guys, let's hop into it. Have some fun. And what I do like about
25,000 the first shoe, here it is. We have a 25 grand here, and this is what I won during my shoe. That's a 20 grand and $23,000.
Let's see how he's gonna do.
We are gonna just leave this 25,000 right like this.
That's the backup ammo, which I always highly recommend, having some backup ammo. Because you got to have a goal of where you want to be at to get and what you're willing to lose. I also really think you guys, if you haven't seen him, go to Kyle2 Reels channel and also go to NG Slot's channel. Give him a like, subscribe.
Yeah, I'm going to just do 500. Yeah, for both.
Smart move, man. Smart move.
Hope you guys have a wonderful day and you are safe and well. Let me show you we are at the casino. Sometimes some people say it's a fake. I don't know why. Look at this one, guys. We are at the casino floor. Alright, it's okay. There is always haters, right? That whatever you, they are gonna just talk shit always. But let's go.
I actually think that was a smart move by putting that insurance out on the first hand. First hand always sucks. There's always going to be some shenanigans going on.
All right, stay.
I kind of want to start doing like sports announcing here. 20 now. That's sticks. Absolutely sticks.
Let's do again $500 hand.
Okay. Got 11. Let's double that. Up.
Down.
The dealer always does the opposite. Always does the opposite. He's like, I want it down. They face it up. I want it face up. They put it down. He's like, you can't win. All right, 14, 14, and a 9. Bus. Get a 14 here against a 7. I like that. Let's see if we can get one more. There we go. Perfect. Let's see. 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14. Nice. Good bust. Yeah.
You would have a 21.
All right. We've got some action going on right now. This seems like a good hand. All right. We're splitting the twos. We got an 8, 9, 10, 11. That's great. I'm sorry. 10. Excuse me. I got 21. I feel like I'm the dealer right now. I'm just screwing up. 15. All right, bust. And we got a 20 on the end.
Picture would be nice. 16, 20. Holy shit, guys!
Man.
But we won.
Hey, you won the double.
20, like really, like 20, 20, 20. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, the only hands you seem like you have to get to is 2021, man.
Wonderful subscribers. Hope you enjoy all those amazing blackjack sessions, guys. Can I have a 6? Perfect.
Oh, he called it. The power of NG. Bust. 18. No worries. I'll win.
Cheers, guys.
That's a table win right there. He always gets these drinks, and they got like sparkles in it. I feel like that's like cancerous.
That's a $1,000. Come on, BJ.
Come on, one more. Oh. All right, 18 against a 5.
I want to double this.
I was going to say, you want to double it?
Yeah. I'm not going to do it. Stay. I just kind of want to double it, but I'm not going to do it.
14.
All right.
So he would have had An 18. Let's see what the next hand would have been, or the next card would have been.
Let's go with $1,000 hands.
What a bust.
Ooh, that's a nice hand. What you think?
Little action. Little action here.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna double down my both hands. Let's do both face down, please. Double
All right,
down.
let's see if the dealer does it. Let's see if the dealer gives it face down. Face down. He just can't.
Beautiful. Small. Oh my gosh, look at this one, guys. 20, 21, 21.
Oh
What
my gosh.
crazy.
That is
All
awesome.
right, check out the full session on my NG Start YouTube channel, guys.
That's great.
Perfect.
Good
That's a
win.
beautiful hand. Woo. That's crazy, man.
That's what's going to be on the thumbnail of this. That's crazy, man. The power of NG.
That was crazy hand.
Absolutely crazy.
Let's go. Up. Perfect.
Nice. 18, 15,
Perfect.
21. Wow, what is happening here? 14. Bust. Oh my God, you guys. And he's calling the cards too.
Another 4,000. Can I get a 25s?
This is a great shoe. And again, if you are having a great shoe, press a little bit. All right. 19, 16, and a
Come on, picture,
12.
picture. Oh, shoot,
17.
man.
Okay.
We had a chance 7, 8, 9, 10. So that was a lot of hours there to win. It's okay, we just lost 15 on it.
Dealer made 50.
You're welcome. Let's do $1,000 hands.
All right, we got a 15, a 15, and a 9.
15, 9. Let's go.
By one.
five
Let's get
or
a
six.
6. 5 or 6, 5 or 6, 5 or 6. And
Okay, at least ace here. All right.
I also want to show you guys if I can move this.
Now let's get it.
Right above me is the dealer's tips.
Ace. Ace on the face.
Oh my gosh, here we go. That's probably about $200-300 worth of tips. So you guys always talk about him not tipping the dealer, but he always does. 19.
See, guys, going down, guys. We lost 15 on it. We lost 1,000. Now we just lost 5 on it. Now this is the winning hand. Let's go. $1,500 each.
I'd like to see it bring it down to 2 or maybe one hand.
Come on, ace on the face. Ah, that's not good.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
You got to be kidding
Okay,
me.
let's try just one hand, guys.
Thank you,
Looks
there
like
we
it's
go.
not working.
There we go. I think one hand too late, but let's see. Big one. Oh my gosh, 19.
Try 1,000. A little bit.
Yeah?
Yep. I'm gonna double down.
Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, 19. No.
Picture.
Nice.
Finally.
11 scared me there.
$2,000 hand.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold the horses. Wait, 7, 8, 9. Okay, okay. It's a 10. It was a 10. I thought it was 11. I thought she was showing a 4.
$2,000 hand.
The dyslexia. I'm just going to blame it on my dyslexia. By the way, I want to say thank you guys for not only your cool comments, but also you guys see a lot of things that I don't see. A couple hands where the dealer paid, didn't pay or did pay too much.
20.
17. What do you have?
All right. There's a $4,000 hand.
20.
4,000.
Oh, of course. Of course.
Double, guys. Let's see.
Scared,
that would be
scared
nice
money
double.
doesn't win money.
This kind of didn't want
Scared
to take
money
a risk
doesn't
against
win
the
money.
10, but you can check out the full session on my NG Style YouTube channel, guys. All right. Boom. Just got a chocolate. I want a lot of these. There's a $1,500 hand.
All right, bringing it back a little bit. I like it. Big one.
Very nice.
Now, how much money has NG could have won?
Ace
Because
on
he
the
didn't
face.
double and he didn't rebet his bet.
Just open.
All right.
Let's do $1,000. Get a picture for the dealer. Beautiful. Oh shoot. You know what? Just open right away. Don't check. Just open. Ay, ay, ay. So we just lost 1,000, guys.
Here we go.
Stay here. Hold on. I don't want to change my chip, so just give me $40. I'm gonna double for you too. Let's do face down. Face down? Yep.
Now he listens. Let's see if he listens.
Guys, take a second and hit that like button for support.
All right, we got 6, 15,
Beautiful.
and a bust.
See, we both make money. And also, if you are new here, guys, hit that subscribe button and bell icon that you get all the notification from NG. I do live stream twice a week, and I have a giveaway twice a week. Daily content, a lot of crazy high limit action.
I love it. Keep it coming. Guys, this is a great time, too, to go down to the description. Check out some links down there. Help you guys out with some beard products, some skincare, all that good stuff. Highly recommend it. Go down there. Let's get back into the action. Dude's got a lot of action, speaking of which. Oh, my gosh. The
So I'm gonna
11s have been hitting all day.
Let's do face down, please. 59
How many
down.
double downs?
Down.
All right, big one.
All right.
All right,
That's
nice.
a nice one, guys. 9,000 swing. $4,500 win. Check out the full session on my NG Style YouTube channel, guys. to
That's
see all
great,
those
man.
Crazy high limit blackjack session. That's a beautiful hand.
The shoe is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Oh my gosh. 8.
I should to split.
Wow.
Actually, no, perfect.
Nice.
14. Boom. No, that's perfect.
That's crazy good. All right, let me
We sit down maybe like
I don't. We don't need to break it down.
like six more hand.
Dude, he is up huge right now. 16.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, 13.
7, 8, or 9 in the worst case. Perfect. Break even.
He's got a push. Not too bad.
Yeah.
You probably got about 1 or 2 more hands. I would have gone down to 1.
Ace, ace, ace.
Well, let's see what happens.
It's not bad ace.
6, 10, 17.
Right. Stay there when we won here.
It's profit.
Yeah, of course. Maybe that's a 5. That's a 10. You can give me just 2 chocolate.
2 chocolates, please. Dude, that's insane.
Where's this Aces? You know what? I'm not gonna hit this time on the 16th. Stay.
9, 18, 19.
I would bust here. Yeah. And dealer would have a 13. So let's see what's gonna be the next card. I think this one is gonna be 8. I think it's gonna be 8. No, you would bust.
It was a lose-lose situation. Dude, how many 11s is he going to get?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna just double down my 11. Let's do face down, please.
What is this? The dealer does not listen. The dealer cannot listen.
Wow guys, this was crazy show. So we start with how much? 48,000? Look at this one. We are up a lot. You can check out the full session on my NG Stud YouTube channel, guys. So 5,000 are cheap, so we just crushed it.
Oh my gosh, you guys, that was an insane run. Let's see, does he count them out? Yeah, he does count them out. Hold on, let's get back.
This is a 23,000. Okay, and this is the profit for shoe number 2. We had 2 amazing session, guys. All right, so for now that's a 15,000. Okay, so on this shoe we are up another 22,000.
No
with
way.
One shoe I won 45,000.
No
This was super awesome.
way. That is insane, you guys. That is insane. That's the show, the power of NG. I love that. I love that. Hey, and go back to the some of the other videos I've uploaded to him and Vegas Matt. Go have a blast playing slots. They killed it there. So super fun. Love the guy. I know everybody like has ups and downs with him, but who cares? I enjoy him. So if you guys like this, go over to NG's channel, give him a like, subscribe. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.